Well, hello and welcome to my channel. Age is just a number and my name is Barbara Jean. This is a channel for women over 40, over 50, over 60, over 70 and beyond who have a love of fashion and beauty. And today it's about different things. It's a haul. It is a haul. So if you are new here to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. It would mean the world to me. Make sure I got this on. It is on. Okay. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and spending a few minutes of your very, very busy day with me. So if you want to see what I hauled at the Dollar Tree and Five Below, hang tight and we'll get started on it right away. All right, so this was the first time I had been to Five Below, and I went there because my physical therapist had suggested that on one of the exercises that I was doing with the tubes with the little handles on them, and he said, yes, you can get them at Academy, but you can get them really cheap at Five Below. So after our session, we went over there, and darn if they didn't. They had, it's a box of 3, and there are 3 different strengths. Here they are. They're a 3-pack resistance tube kit, $5 for the whole set. Yeah. So this is, you can work out with these so many different ways. So part of the exercises he's given me for physical therapy to do, but then there's a lot of others. And I've already had this out, been playing with it. Not playing with it, but I've been working out with it. So that was $5. Yes. So when I was there, I also noticed a few other things. All right. I bought a pair of, and I wore them this morning, so they're in the laundry already for walking. But these are the, they're just athletic shorts, bike shorts, fitness athletic shorts. Now the ones I wore this morning were solid black. These were $5. You know, you can't, and these are a good quality, and they've got the phone, they've got the pocket and the side for keys and for phone, on both sides. Yeah, $5. You can't even hardly get this at thrift stores for $5. So I was extremely, extremely excited about that. Well, then while I was right there too, is they have athletic bras as well. And these are cute because they've got the little cutout on the side. Of course, I wear a tank top or something on top of it. You won't see that, but these were $5. So I'm sorry, if I'm going to be out in the heat walking or sweating, I'm not going to pay, you know, $40 for an athletic bra. And I very rarely can even get athletic bras at the thrift store for $5 of a good brand. So I got this one. And then I got this one, which is just a solid black one. So yeah, very excited about that. So while I was there, I of course had to walk around the store and see what else was there. So, and I saw this. Look at this. This is, it's rose gold, pinkish, yeah, rose gold. And it's zipper. Now, it won't fit in my small purses, but it will fit in some of my bigger purses. But I thought this would be such a great little, it's got a notebook in here. You could probably even find one with a calendar inset at the office supply, probably. But it's got places to put some stuff back here as well. You can put a pen in here. And this comes out, so if you need to replace it, you can. And it zips up. And this was $5. So I was very excited about this. I love that. All right. The brand on this is Fruit of the Earth. It contains no alcohol. This is the aloe vera 100% gel. Now, and it's moisturizing. It's a moisturizer for sunburn and dry skin. But what I use it more for is my new face. The little microcurrent facial device that I use every morning. And the conductive gel that you buy with their brand name is extremely, extremely expensive. So the first thing I did after I went through that, I read up and they said aloe vera gel was good for it. So the first one I bought was a tube of 8 ounces at Kroger of aloe vera gel, and it was $8. This, and then I found it, the same brand, but in 12 ounces of it at the farmer's market. Now, it was $8.99 for 12 ounces. This is 12 ounces and it's $5. So I thought that was a pretty darn good deal. All right. Oh, Visine. Visine Red Eye Hydrating Comfort Drops. These were $2.50. I think. Let me make sure. Visine. No, I'm sorry. $2. $2 for that. And then I got, let's see. This is a LA Colors lipstick, and I haven't opened it, but it's got a clear top on it. I thought the color looked very, very pretty. Let's open it and see. And it's a matte, but it's a kind of a warm pink. Hate it when the plastic sticks to you. Okay, there's another piece. Oh my goodness, what is it doing? Okay, so here it is in the color. It's like a warm matte pink. I thought that would be beautiful for summer. So, and let's see, what was the price on that? The $2.50 for this. So that was a good price, I thought. And then the last thing was the Wet n Wild waterproof mascara that I use on my bottom lashes. And typically the Wet n Wild, these are at Target and Walmart and the drugstores for $4.99, and they were $3.50. So I saved a little bit by doing it there. So yeah, so that is the haul from Five Below. So now let's get into Dollar Tree. All right, the number one thing I get at Dollar Tree that, you know, are wipes. Facial wipes, and these are 60 in here, and these were $1. Yes, $1 for 60 face wipes. All right, and I recognize some of the stuff is not even in here, but I tell you, what was it? Oh, it was the Betty Crocker little reusable leftover containers, the plastic containers. They were 3 of them with the lids for $1. I got several packages of those, but I think they're already in the dishwasher getting cleaned up. My hair's sticking out. Okay. All right, so another thing I got was, let's see, oh, paper tape. Paper tape. I use this for when I want to make a nice, clean, crisp line on my eyeshadow, and I usually keep one in my bathroom, and I keep one in here in the filming room. And this was $1. Nail glue. Yes, nail glue. Whenever you snag, if you're keeping your nails at a certain length and you snag one and you're not ready to cut it off yet, I will put a little bit of drop of nail glue on there and put the nail stickers on top of it and try and get a few more days before you have to cut it off before it goes all the way through. So I usually keep those on hand. And then the last thing I've got here is the Beauty Guru Eyelash Enhanced Serum with castor oil. Now everybody knows that castor oil is good for growing. So I have my eyelash serum that I use every morning, and then I use this stuff at night, right before I go to bed as well too. So it gets all kinds of good stuff. Let me see. It comes in here with a little applicator, and it looks like a little mascara wand is what it looks like. So it's not in the container type thing. It's a little jar, and you just have to open and dip it in there for that. But yeah, so that is, it's ready to use. This was $1, you know, but I just used it at night, and I used the other one in the morning. So yeah, so that is my haul. All right, so that's it. That was pretty darn quick, huh? So, all right, ladies, I'm going to get out of here. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your very, very busy day with me. And like I said, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I appreciate it so much. And come back and see me on my next video. But remember, ladies, what I tell you every single stinking day. Get up and show up, because you are worth it. So until I see you in my next video, have a very safe and a very blessed day.